Hey guys, welcome back to the Detailing Space. Today we're going to be looking at how to quickly and easily detail your car. So the guys over at Car Gods have kindly sent out some products, shows how to quickly and easily clean your car. So back here we've got the Arctic Storm, the snow foam. So like most snow foams, this is mixed at a 10:1 dilution ratio. So the purpose of that is this is your first time into detailing, is you'll blanket that over your car, give it a nice white thick foam and take it from there. We then have the Almighty Power pre-wash, so you use this on your rubbers and tyres, on the paintwork. You can use this before the snow foam on the paintwork or afterwards. I'll probably be using it afterwards. And then we of course have the ready to use wheel perfection cleaner. So this is the stuff that you typically see online where the wheels turn purple afterwards. This reacts with any iron brake dust contaminants and yeah, turns purple. You spray this on, leave it 5 minutes, blast it off. Stubborn wheels may need some agitation and a second hit. And then they've also sent us the Holy Water Secret Shield, along with Black Angel Tyre Serum as well, and some interior detailer if we get time to use them. So yeah, that's enough about the products. Let's get out there and do the detail. Hey guys, so whilst we just go ahead and rinse and dry the car off, I just want to tell you about an upcoming documentary. So whether you're new to detailing or you've been in the industry 10, 20, 30, 40 years, I think this is something you will be interested in. So we're talking about how detailing began with things such as wood polishers and how we got to where we are today with ceramic coatings and such. We've got some big names in this, such as Mike Phillips, we've got Pan the Organizer, we've also got Jim White as well, amongst many other big names. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. The documentary is coming out around about October, maybe November time. Yeah, keep an eye out and hope you enjoy that. But anyway, let's get back into the detail. So there we go then, that's the detail all done with then, and that took me about 30 minutes to an hour, and I'm moving about with the camera as well, so you guys are going to smash through this using these products. Speaking of which, let's get back there and yeah, we'll go through them. So first up then, we've got the Almighty Power pre-wash and the Wheel Perfection cleaner. Both work absolutely amazing. This Almighty Power really is strong. I dare say could even dilute this. So those tyres were brown to start with, and this pulled out all the grime and gunk, ready to put the tyre serum on later. And the Wheel Perfection, again, it's a reacting wheel cleaner, so you spray that on and it does turn into a bit of a foam once you start agitating it. Really good product as well. Now for me, the Arctic Storm, the snow foam could have been a little bit thicker, a bit more foamier, but it is what it is. As long as it does the cleaning well, which it did, that's the main thing. Most people do like thick snow foam, but it doesn't always have to be the case. But yeah, really good product this. However, the high foam wash, this mixes at the same dilution ratio, which is 10:1. This was a little bit on the thinner side for my liking, although it is a sort of like a spray-on shampoo. So the way I did this is I mixed up a litre or 1.1 litres, it was 1 litre of water to 100 ml of product, mixed that in a jug, and then I was blasting the panels that I was going to clean. So if you're working in conditions like today, you might want to either reduce the water, so have it as a stronger soap mix, maybe 500 ml of water to 100 ml of product, and it'll come out thicker and it'll stay on the panel longer. Or do what I kept doing and follow the guidelines, but you have to keep wetting the panels and rinse them as you go. Still quicker than using a couple of buckets and all of that jazz. So good product there, really does help with the speed. And finally, the Holy Water Secret Shield. This is really easy to apply, just 2 or 3 sprays per panel, maybe 4 or 5 on large panels such as roofs and bonnets. Rub that in circular overlapping motions to make sure you've got complete coverage, and then flip the cloth over to a clean side or have a clean cloth to hand and buff that off to a nice high shine. And this is adding a little bit of protection as well and makes it super easy for future cleaning. So yeah, all in all, really good products, easily accessible as well. You can get these on the high street from most supermarkets and high street retailers. Also, you can pick them up from Amazon. I'll put links in the description to that down below. So once again, thanks very much to Car Gods for sending out these products. Hope you guys have found this useful and can now feel more confident when it comes to cleaning and detailing your car. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, and also if you're not a subscriber yet, please click this icon just here. It really does help us out. We'll also put a couple of links to videos down below that we think you guys might enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next video.